Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making it safe. Turn the compressor off, bleed the tank until gauge reads 0 psi, and unplug or lock out power. Once done, inspect the regulator and the pressure switch area, identify the adjustment screw and the lock nut. Make sure you have a 1/4-inch wrench and a flat screwdriver ready. You'll be changing the set point, not the internal valves, so take a moment to note the current gauge reading and any labels. This prevents overshoot and saves time when you make the first small adjustment. With power off but accessible, loosen the regulator or switch lock nut and turn the adjustment screw 1/4 turn to start. Clockwise raises cutout pressure, counterclockwise lowers it. Once adjusted, power the unit on for a short run to observe the gauge. This step verifies the new cut-in and cut-out behavior. If it's not where you want it, repeat small adjustments rather than large ones. Make sure to let the compressor complete a cycle, so the pressure switch and tank stabilize before finalizing settings. Tighten the lock nut and run the compressor through 3 full cycles to confirm the cut-in and cut-out pressures hold steady. If pressure drifts or cuts in slash out erratically, inspect for leaks at fittings, a clogged intake, a damaged gauge, or sticky switch contacts. These cause false readings. Make sure lines and fittings are sealed and the gauge is accurate. If problems persist, replace the pressure switch or regulator with the specified model, and always retest after parts replacement to ensure safe, reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.